In this video, I am talking all about Wondershare Filmora, an amazing video editor. So let's get into it. Wondershare Filmora is really awesome because this is an easy to use video editor. So let me jump into the homepage of Wondershare Filmora and show you what they have to offer. So this is the home screen of Wondershare Filmora. So as you can see on the left hand side, this is the media column here. And there are multiple options like media, titles, transitions, elements. On the right hand side, as you can see, this is the preview option, and on the bottom, so that's the timeline where you can place your audio tracks, video tracks. Okay, so we'll explore one by one. So this is the media option where you can add your media, whether it's audio, video. You just have to double click on that and you'll be able to add media. So this is the sample videos. As you can see, also there are sample colors from here. You can add your folder from here. So the second option, as you can see, that's for the audio. There are a few royalty free musics here. Also you can add custom audio to the video. You just have to double click and you can upload it to the timeline. The third option is of titles. So these are basically subtitles, titles, lower thirds. So as you can see, like there are different titles here. You can add to your video, whether you want an introduction or outro or an intro, you can add it to your video. So there are lots and lots of options out here. You just have to download it, and within 5 seconds you'll be able to add these titles to your entire video. So also there are like subtitles also, and credits are available. There are also this new concepts where I'll show you few of them. And the next option is for the transitions. So this is basically between the video transition. As you can see, once I double click on any of those, you'll be able to preview each and every transition. So it's very easy to add transition to the video. It just drag and drop. You just have to drag the transition in between the videos, and that's all. So next option is of effects. So as you can see, there are multiple effects out here. So that's a blur effect. There are different effects here. Black and white effect, which you can add to your video. Vintage effect is there. So there are lots and lots of effects. And after that, that's the element tabs. So these are basically like emojis you can add to your video. So there are different types of emojis. Stickers are there, you can add to your video. So now the next is split screen. So this is basically where you can add like more than one video in a single frame, as you can see. So once what I'll do is I'll just downloaded few stock footages. I'm going to create a demo video so that I can show you how you can edit the videos in this Wondershare Filmora. So I have already downloaded this video. I'll upload it on timeline and I'll edit few of the videos here, give some transition, give a title, then I'll add some music here. So I'll just drag and drop. Okay, so videos has been added. So what I'll do, I'll just decrease the quality of the preview so that it will become very fast. And once you export the video, so that will be of a very good quality. That will be of 1080p. But for preview, I'll use low quality because that will lag the Filmora. So that's why I'm decreasing the quality of the preview. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just add some demo music. Okay, so that's, you just have to drag and drop the music. And so this is the delete button here, and this is the undo button. Once you click, so this is redo. And also that's the cut tab, like you'll be able to cut the scenes from here. You just have to click on that red button, that's all. You just have to click on that pointer and the video will be divided. So as you can see, I have cut the video. Now whether you want to delete the part or you want to add some transition, you can do it there. Also there is speed options, whether you want to increase the speed of the video or want to decrease. So this is the color correction option. So this is advanced options here. I will keep it as it is. I'll just show you the basics one, so you can check the advanced options. So after once you have mastered the Filmora. Okay, so this is the record options, where you can give a video a voiceover. So you can give video voiceover. So I'll keep it as it is, and this is the zoom to fit. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just decrease the length of the audio here, considering the scene here. Okay, and I'll just click on fit to video. Okay, here as you can see, you can add like a video track or audio track here. You just so you can just add a different video track or audio track from here. So as you can see, you just have to drag and drop here. So I'm just showing you for demo purpose. I'll remove the video track from here. Okay, so this was addition of video track, so I'll just delete it. Okay, so once that is done, so what I'll do, I'll just try to add some transitions. So you just have to drag and drop. You can see I'm just drag and dropping it. Okay, so that's the transition. There are lots and lots of transition, like there are transitions about 200. Also you can increase or decrease the volume from here. You can see you just have to, if you want to increase, you have to just drag it up. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just add a title. So I'll just double click it and you'll be able to see the preview of the title. So what I'll do, I'll just drag and drop here and I'll edit few text inside. You can also edit the text inside. So what I'll do, I'll just shift the entire video on the right hand side. You just have to select everything and you have to drag it and drop it. Okay, so as you can see, so this is the title. I'll edit the title from here. You just have to click on that. Okay, I'll write my travel journey. I click on OK, and that's all. So if you want to add a transition also, you can add it here. So transition has been added. Okay, so if you want to add any effects here, you can add here. So you just have to select the effect, drag it and drop it on the video. So that effect will be automatically applied to that video. So this is the preview of the video. The video is lagging a bit because it's in the preview. So once you are exported the video, there won't be any lag as such. So this is just the preview, that's the reason it's why lagging here. So as you can see, that's the effect which I have applied on the video on this scene. So there you go guys, Wondershare Filmora is a really awesome and powerful video editor, and I would seriously recommend it to anybody that needs to edit video content. So if you are interested in Wondershare Filmora, check the link in the description below. So that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support and I'll see you in the next video.